Hey guys, welcome back to Face in Colors. And if you're new, hi, I'm Pallavi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. I also have my account over Instagram where I share too many other makeups as well. So if you'd like to catch me there, Face in Colors is the Instagram handle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this colorful, creative eye look. And for that, I will be using the iMagic Galaxy Shine eyeshadow palette. Before we begin with the tutorial, please subscribe if you have not yet and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So let's begin with the look. I am starting with the purple shade and pecking it in the outer corner, creating a long V shape. Then I have taken the bright pink shadow and applying just above the purple and blending with the same. After that, taken the dark maroon shade and applying it in the crease line in the half portion of the eye. Now taking the bright orange shade and applying just above the maroon shade and trying to blend the edges of it. After that, I have used the bright pink shadow again and intensifying it in the outer corner as I feel it has lost in the other shades. Then taken the yellow shade and I'm using it as a transition color and I'm applying it at the top of other eyeshadows and blending with them. Then pick the very light cream shade from the palette and applying it on the bare part of the eyes. I'm surprised how pigmented this light shadow is. Now for the lower part of the eyes, I will just be using two eyeshadows. Firstly, taking the purple and applying it in the lower lash line while merging it with the upper eyeshadows. After that, apply the black kajal in the waterline and then use the black shadow to merge it with the purple while applying the black closest to the lash line. Then coming back to the lid, I have used the black gel liner here to apply a thin liner. Then using the black eyeshadow, I am blending the outer part of the liner. Now here I have used light purple loose glitter and applying it on the black liner using a thin brush. And to make the loose glitter stick, I have used two-way gel beneath. Then for brightening the inner corner of the eye, I have taken the light yellow shimmer shade. Then lastly, I am cutting and cleaning the outer part of the eye using the concealer. This step really makes the eyeshadow look neat. You can also work it out using the tape before start doing the eye look. So I have applied the lashes to complete the look and here's the final look. The details of the products I have used in this tutorial are there in the description box if you like to check them out. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and learned something out of it, and if so, please hit the like button and don't leave before subscribing the channel, and I will sure to find you in my next tutorial as well. Till then, see ya!